here. Here's a good way of how we can get some core exercise strengthening coupled with the legs, the lower extremities as well. So all you're gonna need is a wall, some resistance. I like to use the bands, very flexible, and you don't have to worry about weights falling on your feet, okay? So we're gonna start off here against the wall. Tie the bands around the knees. Okay. Nice and deep. Make sure the feet are planted on the ground. Stomach tight. Back flat against the wall. Slide down just a little bit. Arms up. Focus is very important. Keep that stomach tight. Alrighty. And open those knees. You're gonna feel it in the buttocks. Make sure you're driving the weight through the heels. Gonna feel it in the buttocks. And you're gonna feel it in the lower back, right where the sacrum and the hip kind of joins together. So you're gonna feel that, okay? And the lower you go is the more you're gonna feel it, okay? If you wanna spice it up a little bit, you can put something in your hands and kind of hold out in front of you. 3 sets of 10, okay?